Travis and Jeffrey from Lokar Performance bring their remote battery disconnect lever kit to Sam's garage. The kit is designed to allow the driver to enable or disable the switch remotely from the interior. The switch can also be used in conjunction with a fire system kill switch.
All right, chutes are ready, wheelie bars are ready. Go ahead and crank it up. Let's make this pass.
All right. Travis!
You don't have any power.
The switch again.
Ugh,
Man, how many times do we have to go through this? Do we have a solution for this?
Yeah, we've had it for 15 years. We just need to put it on the car, and I think that's why we're here.
Let's put it on. So a battery cutoff switch on the outside looks basically just like a big toggle switch designed to handle high amperage. And that's gonna turn on and off the power going through the car. This car has a standalone 16, maybe an 18 volt battery, no alternator. If you guys are running an alternator in a standard 14 or 12 volt battery, you're gonna have to take the alternator's charging field wire on the back side of the switch going to the switch and not the battery. Because if the alternator is still hooked up to the battery side of the switch and you turn the switch off, the alternator is gonna keep the car running. No different than you've seen some mechanics go to change a battery, but they don't wanna clear the memories of the car. They'll have the car running, take off the battery post, pull out the battery, change it real fast, and put the post back on. That's really bad for your car. Puts the alternator in full field. Well, that keeps the car running. No different than if you were in a horrible situation and you needed that car to turn off. You have to make sure that the alternator's battery wire is on the right side of the switch so that when you turn it off, the alternator power does not go to the battery, and the 12 volt signal power to turn on the regulator to the alternator is also on the same side of the switch for redundancy to make sure that alternator turns off when you shut off the switch.
You know, with these kits, we offer 125 and 300 amp switches, as well as you can get it without a switch. If you wanted to buy one of our switches later, we sell them separate, along with the cable.
I had the switch with the removable red key, so if you have that, you have to replace your switch because there's nowhere to hook up the Lokar kit to it.
I see.
But man, I'd give up that locking one for this any day because the convenience here is absolutely priceless.
Right.
We're talking multiple times I've done it, you know what I mean?
Oh, I understand. It happens.
We've got a bracket to hold the cable in place that we've run up to the shifter inside the car. I'm gonna take off the side plate on the shifter. We're gonna bolt through the back side of the plate. Just make sure to keep your shifter assembly together instead of having to fight that. Before anything comes apart, put the plate back on. Put them on each side of the handle. Orient the handle the direction you'd like. Take the countersunk bolt, the washer, we'll fasten that. We're gonna take our cable. We'll be able to clamp it here, and we'll be able to attach it to the inside of the handle. Whether you're suited up in the car and you need to just turn power on, get going, or if you're going down through the end of the track, something happens, kill your chutes, kill your power, you don't have anything else to worry about. You're not gonna have an electric fuel pump keep running if you've wrecked, or even maybe if the engine even started to over rev and throttle hang, kill the power, much more beneficial. Mounts directly right here next to the shifter. Quick, easy access, out of the way, right within hand's reach of where you're already at.
You know, Travis, for decades, Lokar Performance has always been about convenience. But lately, we've been showing a lot of safety from Lokar Performance.
Yes, absolutely we have. From the Heather tethers all the way to the battery disconnect, grab handles even.
The locking dipsticks you're working on right now.
Exactly, yes.
Pretty cool.
Have you got that wrench?
Yeah, I got a wrench. Julie's bringing it for us.
It's the right one, right?
We'll ask for a 1/2 inch, but we can make it work. It's adjustable. Nice shirt. Where'd you get that shirt?
Lokar.com.
Really? Is that right?
Yeah, check out our website, lokar.com, grab catalog, grab some shirts, check out our new product.